wonder it's screaming.
Chiquitico.
Chiquitico.
We're just out here mackerel fishing, you know, awesome, my dad. See what we can do.
Oh, it's beauty.
I like it.
Catching 8-pounders today, folks.
No,
Oh, it's a puppy. Eh? Eh? Look at this little mint right here. You know what this is? I'll show you. Poppy, ready? Ready? It's a towel. It's a towel. You put in the water and it becomes a towel. And they're biodegradable. It's the coolest thing ever. Toilet paper. They sell packs of these at Bass Pro Shop. I've had them for years. They're perfect for a mangrove number 2. Not that I've ever done that, just saying they are. Poppy's been catching some fish. Oh my gosh, someone's a... Oh, okay. He's not mad, I see what you're saying. A couple nice ones in there. We're gonna keep fishing for a couple more hours and see if we can get any more of them jumbos. Oh, he's got oh! Harold's got a fish.
Like about 8 pounds.
Oh, 8-pounder? 8-pounder all day. 8 pound. The camera doesn't do it justice, guys. That
right there.
Oh, Jesus Christ. That is a parrot because he almost was on my shoulder. Why is it back so soon? Where is it? Why is it back so soon? There's fish. We're marking fish. What excuse did he say?
He said that little fish doesn't even cast far.
The little fish doesn't even cast far.
Go ahead.
Uh-oh, don't let Harold show you. Oh, you're good. Oh, he's giving you a good one now. That's what he's doing. He gave you a won't even let us go to a new spot without grabbing the rod and putting it in the water and having us stop because he got a little...
Every time.
Nieta. Nieta. Oh. Nieta. Ask him, why so tiny?
Yo creo que es la misma.
Why so tiny?
¿Por qué tan chiquito?
Why chiquitico?
Es la que me toca.
Chiquitico, muy
He
chiquitico.
said that's all the ones that he gets.
I don't see it. I don't see it. Oh!
Se comió el tiburón.
Hey! No wonder it's screaming.
Chiquitico.
Chiquitico. Yeah, Poppy got bit by a shark. Harold's got one going in the box though. Way to go, Poppy. Poppy's gonna turn his head any minute now. Harold with a nice little mackerel. What are you throwing this time, Harold?
The Gulfstream lure.
You got what? Let me see it. Let's show the camera here. In a second. I think Poppy is using a spoon similar to this one right there. Nice spoon. Harold's using a Gulfstream lure. You got to pair it up with 80 pound mono leader down to a pretty seamless looking knot because you don't want a big knot. The mackerel will sometimes hit that and you'll be retied for as long as you tie that knot. Nice seamless knot, 80 pound wire, mono leader. Like I said, we're using these spoons or the Gulfstream lures. Any color, I think, for Gulfstream lures. Harold's using a blue one right there currently, but the green and the pink and the chartreuse yellow all work fantastic for these mackerel. So we're probably gonna be starting our last drift here. We're just pulling to the spot. Only doing a half day because we have Friday Fest night. We'll be there at Fort Pierce selling some shirts again. So we got some hoodies, some stickers, and some new stuff coming out here very, very soon. If you guys see any, if you like any of the shirts you see us wearing, head over to seashiftgear.com. We have a whole bunch of shirts there. Great Christmas gifts, little stocking stuffers, little koozies and stickers. Thank you so much for y'all's support. We really appreciate it. Oh, you both have one. Puppy's got one. Harold's got one in the boat. Puppy's got one going crazy.
Fueron.
A foul hook bluefish. Whatever. Blue under bluefish.
I got this one. Look, I got this one.
Harold, that's the objective is in the mouth. That's 2 of them in a row.
I'm trying to go.
Other one, Harold, you keep working your way back. Why are you doing that? Oh, yes, sir. Ending on a nice one. Come on, Harold. End on a double header. Everything good, Harold?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Blah.
Yeah.
Blah. We'll see y'all next time.